time that we talk about elapsed time, understand this for me. We have a start time, elapsed time, and an end time. Once again, we have a start time, elapsed time, and an end time. So that's going to be the key thing that we need to make sure that we have. So anytime when we talk about elapsed time, see, this is our vocabulary for elapsed time. We have a start time, an elapsed time, and an end time, okay? Also, I need you to understand here, too, is not necessarily vocabulary, but this is something I need you to press in your head, because what's going to happen is it's like my cell phone over here. You have the screensaver. So what you're doing is you're making a screensaver of this information right here, and it says 11:59 p.m. to 12 o'clock a.m. Understand this, something special happens, something kind of weird happens. Sometimes while we're asleep, sometimes while we're eating lunch. At 11:59 p.m., it changes over from p.m. to a.m. Once again, at 11:59 p.m., it switches over to 12 o'clock a.m. On the other hand, right here, at 11:59 a.m., it turns over to 12 o'clock p.m. So here we go, 11:59 a.m. goes to 12 o'clock p.m. So that's what you need to know. So if you're taking notes, write this down real quick. If you're taking notes, write that down for me. Okay? If not, once again, just like a cell phone, take a screensaver of it. And the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite it here. 8:34 p.m. And I'm going to put a line up under it. 8:34 p.m. Please write this down for me if you're taking notes for me. 8:34 p.m. And at any time that you have any questions, please put it in the chat. And I think they put the number across the screen. You can call the number. I want to try to see how the phone feature works out. So don't be afraid to call. 8:34 p.m. Now, the first thing is I want to count my hours. I want to count my hours first, going to 2 o'clock. What comes after 8? 9:34. 10:34. 11:34. 12:34. I'm going to stop right there real quick, because don't forget, at 11:59 p.m. to 12 o'clock, it changes over to a.m. And so that's what's happening right here. So this is our p.m., p.m., p.m. This now changes to a.m. It was p.m. It changes to a.m. here because from 11 to 12, from that 11 to 12 spot, it changes over to a.m. Now, I can continue now. What comes after 2? 3, excuse me. 1:34 a.m. I'm going to come over here with my hour still. 2:34. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Look what just happened, folks. 2:34 a.m. has gone over. 2:34 has gone over. So what I do here is I cross it out. Mr. Jones, why did you just cross it out? I crossed it out because I went over. Okay? What I'm dealing with right now is finding my hour. How much time has elapsed in the hour? So what I have here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right now I have 5 hours. I'm not done though. Okay? I'm not done yet. So now what I'm going to do is, what time is it now on my clock? It's really, I'm going to put a line right here and I'm going to do my minutes. It's now 1:34. Now what Mr. Jones likes to do is count by 5s, okay? And I use tally marks to represent the 5 on our clock, the little minute hands on the clock. So what comes after 34? 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So that's 1:39. And this is still AM. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. 1:44 AM. What is my goal? My goal is to get to 2:15 AM. That is my goal, to get to 2:15 AM. We'll come to 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Okay? So I went to 1:59 here, and we'll come up to 1:59. It's now 2:00 AM. Notice, when you do this, it's going to be a pattern. 39, 44, 49, 54, 59. Okay? Look at the pattern. A 4, 9, 4, 9. Now, I put one tally mark here for 2 AM. Am I done yet? No, because now I need to add 15 more. 1, 5, 10, 15. Okay? And by doing that 15 right now, that's 2:05, 2:10, 2:15. And that's where I want to stop. 2:15 AM. 2:15 AM. And now I'm going to count. Each of these tally marks has a group of 5 in it. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41. So this is 41 minutes. So in this case right here, my total would be 5 hours and 41 minutes. So what are you telling me, Mr. Jones? From 8:34 p.m. to 2:15 a.m., it took us 5 hours and 41 minutes. 5 hours and 41 minutes. Questions or concerns? If you have questions, put it in the chat real quick. If you need to call. I'll be willing to answer your questions. But the key thing I need you to come out of this knowing is we had to use this rule right here that we took a picture of. 11:59 p.m. to 12 o'clock. From 11:59 to 12 o'clock, something weird happens. It goes from p.m. to a.m. And that's what we did right here. From 11 to 12, it went from p.m. to a.m. So that's what happened here. It was p.m. Then we started, everything after became a what? a.m. Questions or concerns? All right. I still want to do a start time. This time will be 4:16 p.m. I want to find how much elapsed time is going to be. And my end time is going to be 8:31 p.m. Okay? This is the time that I do tutoring in the afternoons. Okay? From about 4:16 p.m. to about 8:31 p.m. I do tutoring for individuals. All right, so what does that mean, Mr. Jones? What do I need to do first? First of all, what I do here is I find what my start time is. So what I'm going to write right here, I'm going to do 4:16 p.m. And I'm going to put a line under here. Why I'm going to put my line under here? Because I'm going to find my where I'm going to start and where I'm going to end for my elapsed time. That just keeps me organized. Now, my goal is to get to what? 8:31 p.m. Watch this. What comes after 4:16? 5:16 p.m. I'm still good. 6:16 p.m. 7:16 p.m. I haven't gone over yet. 8:16 p.m. All right, now, notice something here. Did I go over the 8:31? Nope. So I can go one more. 9:16 p.m. Uh-oh. The 9:16 has gone what? Over. So I'm going to cross this out right here. So I know count my hours here. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hours. I'm not done yet, because what I tell you, my goal is to get to what time? 8:31 p.m. So I'm going to draw another line beside here. And I'm going to put the time that I had left over, which was 8:16 p.m. And what is my goal? To go to what? 8:31 p.m. So check this out. What comes after 16? 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So it's now 8:21 p.m. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 8:26 p.m. Come up to 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30. What? I surprised myself on that one, folks. All right, so, and so now the time is 8:31 p.m. And guess what? We're going to do what? We're going to stop right here. Now, we count by fives. 5, 10, 15. So that's 4 hours. And 15 minutes. That is the amount of elapsed time. I got 4 hours over here, 15 minutes over here, 5, 10, 15. Take a quick look. Any questions or concerns how we did that? Questions or concerns on how we did that?